Welcome back, everyone. This is Unit 4, Lesson 5 and 6 homework. This is the first word, nervous. We said feel nervous. Some students feel nervous when they're doing exams. في كتير من الطلبة اللي بيضيعها إن هم they feel nervous. They feel nervous while they're doing examinations. Effectively, وانت بتذاكر لازم تتعلم إنك أو لازم إنك تتأكد إنك you're studying effectively. You're studying effectively. Emotions لازم كمان تتعلم how to express your emotions. Emphasis تأكيد بنقول add emphasis on شبه الفعل emphasize. Emphasize. My teacher usually emphasizes the importance of doing homework. Emphasis, emphasize. Add emphasis معناها emphasize. Anger, okay. أول حاجة before when you're angry, you need to dial up your anger. Dial up your anger معناها انك تخفف غضبك في الأول. يعني when you talk to somebody or you discuss anything, first of all you need to dial up your anger معناها انك تخفف او تقلل غضبك شوية. Joy, okay. When أنا بقول مثلا reading is my source of joy. Reading is my source of joy. Feel stressed ده إحساس طبيعي جدا. أنا بحس إن أنا during the school year I feel very stressed because I teach different grades. Drawings, okay. Explore space. Countries spend a lot of money on exploring space. Display winter collection. لو رحت بلازا مول دلوقتي او اي مول هتلاقيهم the display winter collections بيعرضوا ايه اللبس الصيفي لبس الشتاء. Display winter collections. Presentation, give a presentation. You gotta learn how to give a presentation. احنا بنحب ياسين وليد ان احنا نستخدم الكلمات. حتى لما اجي اذاكر تذاكر بالطريقه دي تستخدمها. I feel nervous when I do examinations. لازم انك to learn how to study and work effectively. لازم تتعلم how to express your emotions. Add emphasis on something معناها to emphasize. Dial up your anger. لازم انك تخفف غضبك شوية. Reading is my source of joy. I feel stressed during the examinations. Drawings. Space exploration أو explore space. Display winter collections. استخدامك للكلمة هو اللي هيخليك تفتكرها. Give presentation. I can give a presentation. طيب عبد الرحمن نبيل wants to read. Can you go and read عبد الرحمن?
Feel nervous, work effectively, express emotion, add emphasis, emphasize,
Yeah,
dial,
emphasize this is a verb. Yeah.
dial up anger. Reading is my source of joy. Feel stressed. Drawing, explore space, display winter collection, give presentation.
Yeah, give presentation. لازم نتعلم how to give a presentation. All right. Lesson 5 blog post. يعني ممكن تقول مثلا write a blog post. مدونة اللي هي الأونلاين diary بس بتبقى أونلاين. Whether okay مع لما يكون عندنا two options يعني أنا بقول I am not sure whether I will stay at home or I will go out. Whether I will stay at home or I will go out. Receive a message. Receive an email. Floor. I live on the second floor. Waste. Never waste your money because if you never waste your time. If you waste your time, you can't take it back. But if you waste money, you can take it back. Surprise. Show surprise. Oh, surprise party. Have you ever been given a surprise party? Feel worried about. يشعر بالقلق. Movie. We can say watch a movie. Express. خدناها من شوية مع كلمة emotions. You need to learn how to express your emotions. يبقى write a blog post. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure whether I'll stay at home or I will go out. Receive a message. I live on the second floor. Don't waste your time. Surprise party. I feel worried. Watch a movie. Express your emotions. Okay, we need somebody to read. Asir, can you read lesson 5 with my notes? خلي بالكم انا لما هعمل لكم امتحانات هجيب لكم من النوتس اللي انا بقولها في السيشن دي عشان تسجل معايا.
Write blog post. Uh, I, I am not sure whether I will stay at home. Receive a message. Second floor. Waste time. Party surprise.
No, surprise party. We say surprise party.
Feel worried. Watch a movie. Express emotions.
Express your emotions. Good. Lesson 6 here, present topics. دايما هدير بتقول I like the way Mr. Ahmed presents his lessons. Present the lesson. I like the way Mr. Ahmed present the lessons. Chance. Give somebody a chance. Give somebody a second chance. Climbing. We say go climbing. Go mountain climbing. Guide. I want to be a tour guide. Mountain. Climb a mountain. Candy. Okay. Good grades. You can say get good grades. Colorful fish. I like watching colorful fish. Acer has got colorful birds, by the way. Acer has got colorful birds. Wall. Okay. Okay. For example, jump over the wall. يعني الكلمات هنا they're so simple. Can you read them, Yusuf Ahmed?
Okay. Present the lesson. Give chance. Go climbing. Take a tour guide. Climb mountain. Candy. Get good grades. Colorful birds. Jump wall.
Jump the wall. Okay.
Jump.
Let's go to page number 170. 870. Question number 1. Acer.
To get the verb of the adjective effectively, we add the suffix ly.
ly. Okay. 2. Number 2, Yasin. Yasin Walid. يلا Yasin, hurry up.
D.
Stop at the antonym of start. Hadir. Hadir. The word clean had the same meaning as
Has the same meaning as neat. Number D.
clean, neat. Yeah, organized. 170. Mustafa Baha.
She looked stressed.
After a long, tiring day at work, she stressed. Okay, perfect. Number 2, Yusuf Ahmed. He couldn't hide.
His doubts when he lost the race. Anger.
He couldn't hide his anger. Perfect. 3, Muhammad Sayed.
Leaving early instead of playing only games is smart choice.
So, smart choice. Good. Muhammad Said.
That gave a short presentation about his new project. Presentation.
Yeah, presentation. Gave a short presentation. 5, Abdurrahman Nabil.
The whole of our classroom was full of beautiful drawings.
So the wall of our classroom was full of beautiful drawings. Good job, ya Abdurrahman. Maya, number 6.
Number 6, they want advice whether to spend some money or save it.
So they want advice on whether with H. 7, Yusuf Ahmed.
Okay, who do you usually ask for advice when you have a problem?
So who do you usually ask for advice when you have a problem? Have Muhammad Said, 8.
Adam studied hard and go to the grade.
So Adam studied hard to get good grades. Good. Muhammad Said, 9.
Mm, Let's explore the park in our city together. Explore.
Yeah, so here explore. Good. Explore. Abdurrahman Nabil, 10.
Our tour guide showed us the way to the pyramid. Guide.
So our tour guide, 11. Mustafa Baha.
I wrote chance.
So I wrote a, a chance, a blog a chance. Ever heard about a blog a chance? No. A blog post. I wrote a blog post about my daily life. 12. Asir.
He needs a lot of time to think carefully about his decision.
Yeah, to think carefully. 13. Yasin Walid.
His illness is related the food he ate yesterday. B2.
So his illness related to, we say related to Hadir.
You may start up missing the bus if you don't hurry. Start.
You may up missing the bus if you don't hurry. Startup, no.
Stay.
Not stay up.
I don't know. You may end.
End up. You may end up missing the bus. يعني ينتهي بيك الحال لحاجة معينة يعني. End up missing the bus. 15. Maya.
We are studying hard. There's a big test coming up tomorrow.
Coming up, yeah. Big test coming up. Coming up tomorrow. Okay. 16. Muhammad Said.
There is a big test coming up tomorrow.
So there's a big test coming up tomorrow. Okay. Abdurrahman Nabil. You want to answer? Do you have
مستر
it?
هو ليه في question 14 ليه في question 14 ما قلناش start. مش ليه end.
not start up. we say end up. end up معناها ينتهي بيك توصل لموقف معين، توصل لحاجة معينة. come to a place أو condition أو situation. if you end up doing something معناها you come to a certain situation. come to a place or a situation. يعني مثلا for example I wanted to be a doctor but I ended up يعني being a teacher. فوصل بي الحال لحاجة معينة. end up as okay ينتهي yeah end up أهو end up stressed end up. alright تعالى let's go نشوف الهومورك اللي على unit 10 unit 5 هنضيف معاكم pages 174. يبقى كده عندنا البيجز كلها. احنا بدأنا مع بعض في pages 70 176 177 174 و 175. كمان هناخد 100 التست على unit 4 178 179. اوكي واخر حاجة عندنا 180. at least يا شباب نكتب one paragraph please. at least one paragraph please. thank you very much. اللي عنده اي question